Welcome everyone to the 7 financial tips for business owners to make a profit. I'm so glad you're here to listen and learn, and there's going to be some great advice for you in this short 15-minute video. So let's quickly go over what you can expect in today's training. I will walk you through each of the 7 hacks, which potentially could save you $100,000 in profit. And you can do this even if you are working with a bookkeeper. So my promise today is to leave you with at least one strategy that you can implement quickly for your business. So those are some bold statements. So why listen to me? Well, I'm Deetra Lawson. I'm a CPA and an MBA, and I'm also the owner of Dignissim Accounting, which services small business owners and solopreneurs for their bookkeeping needs. I've worked in the accounting industry for over 15 years in several industries, and I've worked with multiple business owners like yourself. So we're about to hop into the 7 hacks in just a bit. But what I need to emphasize are some of the exact benefits that you are going to realize once you implement one or more of these strategies. Some of these strategies include not just a change in cash flow, like increase your profits or reduce your taxes, but also an increase in work-life balance, like focusing on your passions and going home every night on time. So still curious about these strategies? Well, let's get right to it. The first strategy starts right whenever you set up your business. Did you set it up in the most tax beneficial entity? Doing this could potentially save you $25,000. And yeah, LLCs are popular, but sometimes an S Corp or C Corps have more savings. And some structures allow for huge tax savings and startup costs. The second strategy calls for having an accountable plan. Some consultants travel quite a bit. They have lots of travel expenses for their conferences and hotel fees, Uber. Do you have a plan for these travel expenses? And if you're in the real estate industry, you're going to be buying some big assets. Do you know which ones you can capitalize and which ones you can expense? Having a plan for this can save you a potential $5,000 for both your business and personal taxes. So strategy 3, let's keep track of your costs. It's an essential part of bookkeeping functions, and an experienced bookkeeper is going to give you some monthly financials. And one of those monthly financials is a P&L statement, and that's going to show you how profitable your company is and all your expenses. And without monitoring these costs consistently, they can overpower any potential profits, saving you up to $40,000 if you consistently monitor your expenses. So 4, do you know who's working for you? If you have outside vendors or even employees, there are several tax forms that need to be filed either annually or quarterly, and missing one of these payments could cause an hefty tax penalties that could cut through any profits you might make. So knowing whether you should have contractors or hiring an employee is a big tax savings for yourself, potentially $20,000. Number 5, let's talk about that golden rule. Pay yourself first. Certain business structures require you to pay yourself a salary, and others require you to take it out through owner's withdrawals. And putting a plan for this, it can help put more money in your pocket and a little more peace of mind. So using the golden rule could potentially impact $10,000 for you. All right, we're almost there, guys. Strategy 6. Let's talk about the budget. We do not need to fear this budget because it's a roadmap. It's a roadmap towards reaching your business financial goals. And without one, you're aiming to fail. Big companies even have a grueling budget process to iron out what they expect their profits to be in the coming years. Your process doesn't have to be grueling, but it should be required in order to make the biggest impact. A business without a budget is 8 times more likely to fail within 2 years. So save an extra $35,000 and start budgeting. All right, number 7, the biggest mistake we see most businesses make: not working with an experienced bookkeeper, and even better, a CPA. Most solopreneurs start by doing the books themselves, and they mess it up. They regret it because they don't understand what account needs to go to certain accounts. And they hate spending their weekends searching through receipts when they could be better off watching football or spending time with their family. The potential loss is $50,000. If you think about it, all of those hours that you spend looking for receipts, you could have been using towards sourcing new clients, adding more revenue towards your business. Don't make this mistake. Focus on building your empire. Create more revenue with your new added time. We've got your financials covered. So that's the 7 hacks, guys, helping you build more cash flow, profit, more work-life balance for your business. Start by implementing at least one of these strategies this week. If you'd like to chat more or see how Dignissim can help you organize your financials, book a free consultation at the link below this video and schedule a time on my calendar. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your time today and look forward to hearing from you. If I can help at all, reach out on the link below the video to book a free consultation. Enjoy, guys. Take care.